Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a mini project for banned URLs and banned websites. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, very important. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we need to import web browser for this and import the time module. So we're just going to start and we're going to create the banned websites. So we're going to put that there, and I'm going to do HTTPS. I'm going to do I think yahoo.com, and we're going to do HTTPS bing.com. Okay, so those are our banned websites, and now we're going to create a function, and that's called open website. This is our little function here. So we're going to say URL. We're going to get some user input here. So enter the website that you want to go to. Right, and now we're going to go into the conditional. So if URL not in banned websites, web browser dot open. We'll open the URL if it's not in that banned list here. So if it's not in that banned list, we'll open the URL, and then we're going to do whoops else, and we're going to print. Let's have a look. Can't access site on banned list. So we won't be able to access the site if it's on the ban list. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little function where we can update the ban list. So that's update banned list. Another little function, update banned list. Okay, and this is going to be update list. This is going to be equal to input add a URL to black list. Whoops, black list. Be careful, blacklist. I'll be getting done for racism by the wokies. Okay, right, let's have a look. So we're going to have banned websites. Dot append, which is going to be update list. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in a URL that we want to ban, and that will update it to this list here. And then we're going to print list updated, and then we're going to do a little pause by using the time.sleep I'm going to do a pause for 1 second before it goes back up to the open websites function. Okay, so now all we have to do is call this. So we'll call it by open websites. Let's just save it. Let's just run the program. Hopefully no typos. Okay, enter a website. So I'm just going to enter a website that isn't on the banned list. So it's going to be https. Just do something like adjan.com. Okay, so as you can see, it's opened that because that's not on the ban list. Okay, let's run it again. Let's put something that is on the ban list. So yahoo.com is on the ban list, so that's https yahoo.com. Okay, can't access site on the ban list, and then it's given us the option to add something else to the ban list. So I'm going to add the last website that we went to, which is going to be adjan.com. We went to that before, so we're going to update that on the ban list, and we're going to try and see if we can get into this URL. So let's just copy that and paste it there. Oops, I can't for some reason. Okay, manually do it. https adjan.com. Can't access the site on the ban list. Okay, let's put another site on the ban list. https, and this is going to be google.com. Okay, list updated, enter website. So let's try and see if we can get to Google. It's going to be google.com, and we can't access it. It's on the ban list. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.